Okay, it's Luxury Fred, and I am in Bangkok, Thailand at the Shangri-La Bangkok. If you've watched my other videos, you've seen I visited other Shangri-La Horizon Club lounges. So this is the Shangri-La's Club Lounge, and guests that stay in suites or Horizon Club floors have access to the lounge. So let me give you a quick tour. They just took away breakfast, which is always an amazing experience here at any Shangri-La. And you can see that the Shangri-La here is right on the river. So the lounge is on the top floor of the Shangri-La wing. This hotel actually has two wings, Shangri-La wing and the other wing, which is a name that I can't pronounce, which is the Thai word for Bangkok. Grunub or something like that. Excuse my poor Thai pronunciation. So you can see on one side of the hotel, kind of to the left, we have sweeping views of the city, and then on this side we have views of the river. Again, this is the club lounge, so you can come here and work, you can come here relax, you can have meetings here, and then they serve an amazing breakfast. They serve afternoon tea, and then they serve kind of evening cocktails with a little food service, crudité and charcuterie and things like that. And truth be told, you can make a meal of it, and also drinks and stuff like that, but little sandwiches and stuff like things, snacks. So this is the area where normally they have the food set out for breakfast. And again, this is it's a little after 11 o'clock, so they've just cleared everything away. The lounge is open all day long, but the food is only served at certain times. You can see this is the other area where they have all the food set up during those times that I mentioned. And then you have these great views of the river from all the different tables. So you can see that there's a lot of space to relax or work or whatever you want to do, along with these sweeping views of the city. So this is the city view, so some of the rooms and suites face this direction and the others face out to the river on the other side. And then over here you have a little work area with computers and things like that if you need to do some work. See? And then over here is a meeting room, and you can reserve the meeting room if you want to have meetings there. And that's another amenity for Horizon Club guests. The other amenity is that you can both check in, you can check out right here in the Horizon Club. You don't need to do that down in the lobby. And these gentlemen here also provide kind of concierge services, so that if you need something done or something like that, they will help you out. And again, it's a little more private situation than going down to the concierge or something like that. So again, this is the Horizon Club Lounge here at the Shangri-La in Bangkok.